Hey guys, my name's Kaine Ogden and I own a leadership training company called Stand. I wanted to talk to you for the next 45 seconds about the Relevate community. Imagine having a network of like-minded business professionals at your site. Weekly business meets, Q&A forums that are always open, abundant free resources and online courses that are battle tested in the field of business. That's all available to you in the Relevate community. I initially joined for none of those reasons. I joined because I wanted to connect with men and women that are keen to push the dial, work a little bit harder than the rest because they enjoy it. I found that here. The Relevate community, as I've come to discover, isn't about convenience, it's about growth. So if you're even the slightest bit interested in joining a business network community, fan the flames and join the Relevate community. You won't regret it.